Prendi lo que bota busca.
De 3 viajes acaba que Ava Airways está entregar papel para ministro de lo cual da transporte público. Van esperar viajar aquí turcos lota ok. Nós está en oportunidad de poder conversar con Mener Arindel. Así é conta-nos que precisa a passa que de 3 viajes com entrega de papel.
Yeah, we deliver all of the paperwork that is necessary again, and nothing has really changed from the first time. Nothing has really changed from the second time, and nothing has changed from the third time. So we deliver the paperwork that was necessary, and on top of that, our investors they sent what you call a declaration of invested capital to the minister this time, and it was delivered by certified mail, which is Federal Express.
¿Qué diferencia que vos solo entregar viaje aquí que otro viaje vos no entregar?
Well, there's no difference. There's no difference. We deliver the same paperwork. There's no difference in the paperwork. No.
Ok, ahora que papel na abay, ¿qué na avisa vos? ¿En cuánto tiempo si lo vai duna al fin un contesta?
I don't know, but I can bet maybe in the next 3 months we'll get another answer again. And the government is the best soccer player ever. You know, I really can't tell you. I'm just as shocked as you are, but I know that our company is incompliant.
¿Vos tiene algún motivo en especial de cómo está siendo así fastidioso, así complica para poder llegar, si tuvo papel en la regla, de con tanto estrobación?
Maybe you can help me because I really don't know that either. But I think that Curacao is in a crossroads. And I don't want to assume or make any comments out of assumption. But what I could tell you is that Ava has given all of the necessary paperwork to make sure that we arrived at our economic permit.